Does the water in your RV smell or taste kind of funny, or you're worried that you haven't cleaned your tanks in a while? Well, today I have part of the solution. You need to make sure you have a really good 10 by 2.5 inch filter inside your big cartridge. So that's what we're talking about today. Let me show you how to change it and what you need. Alright, I want to show you these SimPure water filters. I just got these for my RV. Came in a pack of 4. They are the 10 inch by 2.5 inch filters, so they work perfect in a nice big filter. 4 of them come nice individually packed, and then they're wrapped as well. They are a 5 micron filter, which is a really good small particle filter for your water system in your RV. It says it removes chlorine, improves taste, odors, removes VOCs. So I'll go show you how to install these in my RV. Alright, so I'll just talk you through how to replace this filter. So this is the housing that is up underneath my water system in the cabinet of my RV. And it's super simple. It screws on right to tight, left to loose, it unscrews. There's also a nice big wrench, big plastic wrench that I have. Maybe I'll run and get it. But anyway, you just take the old filter out, as you can see there. It's recommended on the housing here to replace this seasonally. So I guess what that means is when you get your RV out of storage for the summer, go ahead and replace your filter, because you probably winterized your RV and taken this off and put RV winterizing fluid in it. So anyway, there's an O-ring that goes right in here. It just happened to fall out, and the new filter has silicone gaskets on it, whereas this one had rubber gaskets on it. You just put that in and you tighten it up, and then it recommends you flush water through it for 2 minutes, maybe more, with a brand new filter, and then that'll get rid of any carbon fine particles that are in here. So anyway, I'll go show you a picture of where this is in the compartment of the RV. It's kind of hard to get to, but that's as easy it is to change. 4 of these is going to last a long time for me, last a couple years for me, so I can just have them and not worry about them. They certainly don't go bad. So I want to thank the manufacturer for sending these to me so I could do a review and install and check them all out. Okay, so to install this, here we are in the compartment. Right below my water manifold system is the connection for this. And so I simply need to get it in position. To tighten it up, you just basically right to tight, thread it on there, and then when I get ready, I'll put this on here, and there's a little wrench I can put on there. It'll help me snap it up just a little bit. So that's how you install the water filter.